Hey guys, so in this video, we're gonna show you 5 tips of what to bring when you go to a water park resort.
And the reason we're doing this video is because the boys don't know this, but we're going to a water park resort.
And their favorite one.
Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna call them over and we're gonna ask them what is one important thing that they should bring. Boys! Okay guys, now that we're back, now that we got you guys here, this is what we're gonna do. This is the challenge that we're gonna have as a family today. We're gonna all pack for, let's say, our favorite water park.
Kartrite!
Okay, Kartrite. So what are we gonna do?
You're each gonna go run and get the most important thing that you think you'll need for this adventure.
Ready guys?
Ready?
Yes. Let's go get it!
Go!
Okay, now that we're back with all of our stuff, what do we guys bring?
Toothbrushes!
No!
Come on.
All right. My workout clothes, because I plan to do some goat yoga.
Okay, all right. What about you, Dylan?
Water shoes, because it's the most important thing to go in the water.
To protect those little feet, yeah.
And not slip, right? Because you're Flash.
Yeah. You definitely don't want to slip in the water park. And what about you, Blake?
Towels!
Towels.
The most comfiest thing that dries you.
Oh yeah, it's always good to have your own towel too. Nice big towel.
Nice
right?
big towel. All right, Logan, what did you bring?
So I was planning to bring my bathing suit and wear it all day long.
Not all day long. All right, well for me, it's not just indoors that we're gonna be in the water park and stuff.
What?
Yeah, we're not gonna spend all day inside in the water park or in the arcades or in the restaurants. There's also a lot of cool stuff to do outside. So I'm bringing my comfortable hiking, walking shoes to go on some of those hikes and just explore all the cool things that they have outside the resort.
What do you guys think?
Daddy was the best.
Good idea, right?
Good idea.
All right, so just to recap, we have water shoes, we have gym clothes because you want to squeeze in a little workout while you're there. We have towels and bathing suits. Very important things. And of course, some footwear so that you can get out there and go on those hikes. So these are just a few of the most important things that we think you should bring, especially if you go to a water park resort like the Kartrite.
And let's not forget that we need our packing cubes so that we can pack everything nice and neatly and everybody knows what they're bringing.
That's like the pro tip here because packing cubes are amazing.
We love them. Each of you get your packing cube.
Yep. Everybody gets a packing cube. Well, this is mine, and this is mommy's, of course.
I get the
pink one. And if you want to know more about these packing cubes and how we manage to pack 5 of us in one piece of luggage when we go to places, you can check out the video below where we actually do that. You did it.
Yes, I did.
But guess what, guys?
What?
The reason we're making this video and the reason we're packing is because we're going to Kartrite! So let's go get our stuff and get going!
Let's go! Packing cubes, get packing!
We're all packed up and ready to go. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye!